So here we are, Fort North. We're in Michigan. Beautiful ride, awesome day. You're about to hear me explain where we're at and what we're doing. So beautiful. We are at, this is Lake Superior to the right. We're in Ironwood. There's a crane flying over there. Did you guys see it? That was cool. I've never actually seen those things fly. I've always seen them in the water. Wow, what a day. This is beautiful. I saw a crane flying over there in those trees. It had a big old long neck. Is this recording?
Yeah.
I hope it got it. That was so cool. I've never seen them fly. Wow, this is so pretty. How come no one's here? Because of the rain?
Oh, but I want to ride down there.
You want to go to jail?
No, but
okay.
I'd like to ride down there and take a picture.
Do it. I'll go down there and I'll take a picture. Why?
I'm not going to jail.
Well, I'm gonna put it on YouTube, so no one will know.
I said already, Little Girls Point.
Yeah. Oh.
Right, let's go up here and see what back roads and stuff we can find.
How do I look?
Good.
I don't believe you.
But yeah, you can't believe you don't touch it.
Woke up this morning, brushed my teeth, and put lipstick on. I didn't even comb my hair. The weather, it might rain, and we were just trying to rush around and get out of there. This is a really pretty ride. I would so love to live somewhere right here. We are about to transition from this road to a dirt road. No, I don't want to go see it. I think it's a bear. I really don't. It crossed like that way, going into that way. Well, it was across the road. How would you see it? Well, disaster averted. I talked him out of going to look for the bear. So now we are on this most beautiful ride to a lookout that overlooks Lake Superior, and you will just see a bunch of beautiful trees and scenery. Enjoy. I am eating his dust again. Son of a biscuit. So here's a little bit about us. We are an average Gen X couple. We've been together more than 2 decades. And we do a lot of banter back and forth and goofing around. Neither one of us are serious all the time, and we just enjoy doing things like riding motorcycles. This is a new thing for me. I've had a scooter before, like a little moped to putt around on in the trails around where we live. We're from northern Wisconsin. Technically, we were both born and raised in California, but we moved to Wisconsin about 8 years ago, and we've been enjoying this ever since. So this is a bucket list thing for us, and we have several more. We are building a van, a slow build, just to do things like this on the weekends. He's a full-time truck driver during the week, and then on the weekends we're home doing things like this. So I'll stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Yas. So Mr. Bogle wanted to pull over and just make sure we were on the right track. I think we were both thinking it was going to come up faster than it did because it is different when you're experiencing it on the back of a motorcycle versus in the van. In the van, I think we were maybe going faster. And we're still having a really good time. The weather, it does look like it's going to rain, and it does later. Not on us, thank goodness, but enjoy the rest of the ride. That's Lake Superior.
Found it.
This is the spot, huh?
Yep. This is where.
We want a boondock?
Yeah, don't say it on camera. Let's say where you're at.
Oh, you don't want to burn.
Huron.
Yeah, we're at Lake Huron. You don't want to burn your spot. So this has turned out to be a really beautiful day. This is the second half of the ride back to our campground at the Little Girls Point in the UP. And I am going to tell you, this is pretty cool. That was the snowmobile trail. And this is an actual road. Just a dirt road. And I think we've been on this for a couple miles. Dark in here, but it's not an eerie feeling. It's like like a fun feeling. Exciting. I wish you would go just a tad bit faster. See if I can make him go faster. Is he getting the hint? No, he thinks we're trying to catch up to him. Forget it, Bogle. Wow, what a lovely ride. This is the end. So we come up to the road and head back to our campsite right after this. We got rained out. We went home a little bit early, but we had a really amazing time, and we definitely recommend Ironwood, Michigan. Thanks, guys.